Consciousness. When you are giving a presentation, be conscious. Okay, now what is the next sentence? With the subject, how can I give? That's it. If you do it with a consciousness, over a period of time, it becomes part of your life. So you are breathing now. I know that you are breathing. Are you doing it consciously? No, it is happening automatically. Automatic is called fluency. So automatically, fluency will also happen automatically. But at this juncture, at this phase, you need to do it consciously. Let me give that example. Every time I give the example of driving, either driving a car or riding a bike. When you are learning, at the time you do consciously. Now I have to press the clutch. I have to change the gear. Slowly I have to release the clutch. Slowly I have to release the accelerator. You are doing it consciously. But now you are doing it automatically. You are riding the bike and then you are speaking over the phone and then you are stopping at the signal. You are overtaking the other vehicles. All these things you are able to do automatically. So that is what called skill. Skill can be acquired when you are learning. Now, very critical stage it is. I will give you one more example. You will understand. One more analogy I give you. There are four stages. How many? Four. There are four stages in acquiring a skill. The first stage is unknowingly unaware. Unknowingly unaware. Means we don't know that skill and we are not even aware. I don't know that skill. That knowledge also we don't have. That is unknowingly unaware. Second stage is knowingly unaware. Knowingly unaware. I don't know that skill. I am unaware of that skill. I need to learn that skill. That is the second stage. First stage is ignorance. We are not even aware of it. We are not even aware that we don't know that skill. Second stage is we realize, shallow, I don't know. For example, in the initial stages, you're not worried whether you don't know how to drive and you don't know, you're not even worried. That is the first stage. But suddenly your father or your friend, someone gives you a motorcycle. They give you, hey, come on, go on a ride. They say that, oh, I don't know how to ride the bike. You realize that is the second stage. First stage, unknowingly unaware. Knowingly unaware, second stage. Then you go to a teacher, you go to a trainer, or you go to a coach, or you go to a senior, you go to a friend, and then he will guide you step by step. Chalo, this is the clutch, this is the accelerator, this is the front brake, this is the gear, this is the brake. Everything he teaches you A to Z. First theory, later practical training, step by step. I repeat, step by step. Step by step, he gives you guidance. Now that is the crucial stage, the most important phase in the skill gaining. Third stage, that stage is known as knowingly aware. We are getting awareness step by step, step by step, step by step. We are getting the awareness, knowingly aware. Now, if you do a lot of practice at this stage, if you get full and fully involved, submission is the word here I can use. Submission means you have to forget yourself. You have to submit yourself to the Guru. You have to give your heart and soul to the Guru. If the Guru asks you to jump, you should be in a position to jump. If the Guru asks you to raise your right hand, you should raise the right hand. If the Guru asks you to stop, you should stop. If the Guru asks you to dance, you should dance. So this kind of situation is called submission. Fortunately, the Guru should be the right person. And if this kind of authority, this kind of command, if a wrong person gets, the life gets spoiled. So the Guru should be good. And that kind of Guru, once you get, in the hands of such Guru, you have to submit your heart and soul. Now at that stage, he takes you by your finger and he takes you to your desired destination. So that is the third stage, knowingly aware. Now, if you do a lot of practice at this stage, you will be reaching the last stage, that is your dream stage. That is unknowingly aware. Unknowingly aware. We know that skill, it is there with us. And we even forget that. Okay, unconsciously, automatically we'll be doing. Means now breathing is an example. We are breathing unknowingly, automatically it is happening. We are riding the bike unknowingly, automatically we are riding. Swimming, dancing, cooking, any skill you take. So Guru is not involved at that stage. You are full, your life is fully in your control. So a bird is flying automatically. In the initial stages, mother tries to teach it. Bike riding, in the initial stages, your friend might have taught you. Now computer operation, in the initial stages, one friend might have helped you. But now you are all in the fourth stage when it comes to other skills related to English, related to fluency. Now you are at what stage now?
Knowingly.
Third step.
Knowingly, third stage. Knowingly aware. Now, what is your responsibility in this stage?
Practicing.
Practice, lot of practice. So I mentioned one more thing also very clearly. The guru should be perfect. You test the guru to any extent in the joy before joining itself. You can test the guru. Once your conscious agrees, once your conscious permits, then you give submit yourself, because Nagesh sir is a headmaster. He knows all these things. All gurus are not good gurus. There are fake gurus. Number of fake gurus are there in the world, and many students, they are spoiling their lives by putting their lives in the hands of wrong gurus and fake gurus. Some gurus are behind the bars also nowadays. So that's the reason we need to test the guru. We need to choose the right guru. Once we test and once we find it's okay, then again and again we should not go back. Total submission. Yes, whatever he said, we have to follow. That's it. In fact, you might have observed time and again, I'm telling, I do not consider your age. I do not consider your age. I do not consider your qualification, your profession, your social status, your gender, nothing. For me, you are my kid. That's it. You are my kid. Mentally, I feel that you are all my LKG students. So that is the kind of treatment I give. Sometimes it may hurt you also. But my objective is to make you a speaker.